Welcome everybody to this introductory video for SMAX, RedCentric's ITSM and service delivery platform. During this video, we will provide you with an overview of SMAX and focus on the key elements to help familiarise yourself with the platform. This is what you'll see when you come to log into SMAX. Firstly, you'll be presented with a page where you'll be able to input your username and password credentials and proceed to log in. Once you are logged into SMAX, you'll be presented with the SMAX dashboard, where you can locate different service areas on separate tiles to allow you to explore specific sections and easily access relevant information, where you can search for offerings to log a support or service request, and view articles which can provide helpful service information and self-help guides to help you self-diagnose your issue. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, under this section, you'll be able to access news information that provides useful insights and updates on our services. Additionally, you'll be able to view recently used offerings to provide you with a shortcut to these pages. SMAX helps you find information quickly. You can use the search bar or the virtual agent to type in keywords and search for information. You'll then see search results relevant to your query in a similar way to how you view search results when using Google. There are 4 types of information within SMAX: support and service offerings, articles, and news. Support offerings can help you log a support request. When you select a support offering, SMAX will display a form to allow us to quickly collect all the information we need to help resolve your issue as quickly as possible. Service offerings, previously known as change requests. When selecting a service offering, SMAX will also direct you to a form which will allow us to gather all the information we need to fulfill your service request. Articles, which provide self-help information to allow you to resolve issues quickly and independently. And news, to keep you updated on the latest news across services where an issue impacts more than one customer. Gathering information in this way allows us to resolve issues more quickly and ensures that no critical details are overlooked, helping us respond in a timely and effective manner. SMAX uses automation wherever possible to prioritize requests. SMAX can automatically direct your support or service request to the appropriate team right away, as it receives all the necessary information upfront. This enables us to make the best use of our internal resources and streamlines our communication, helping us resolve your issues as quickly as possible. Where do I go to see my requests? All requests can be seen within the Your Request tab at the top of SMAX near the search bar and can be filtered in 4 ways: open, closed, public, and following. Requests that are under the open are ones that are in the process of being resolved. Requests that are under closed are ones that have been resolved. Requests that are under public are ones submitted by others within your organisation. And requests that come under following are ones that also have been submitted by others but you are set to receive updates for, all of which can be filtered by date for ease of viewing. Have you got an idea or suggestion you'd like to share with RedCentric? We believe innovation starts with you, and we view all ideas and feedback as valuable. To make a suggestion, head to the Suggestion tab on the top of SMAX and fill out the form presented. Ideas are reviewed by our service management team and fed into our bi-weekly service improvement forum. Thank you for watching. For more details, visit our dedicated customer support page where you'll find out additional information about SMAX and answers to common questions on our frequently asked questions page.